To manufacture a product in the traditional way means that it is mass-produced in distant countries and then transported back to the customer over long distances, which usually leaves a very, very large CO2 footprint. With our idea, we make it possible to produce on demand again and to bring production back to Europe. In fact, you could almost say back home.
We then developed a vision that enables us to bring industrial manufacturing back to Europe, to break up these long supply chains and to simply eliminate the 90% of unproductivity within these supply chains.
Now imagine a cloud platform that connects web shops on one side with 3D printing producers on the other. A sold product is then forwarded to the nearest producer who manufactures the product using 3D printing technology.
Specifically, this means that the consumer themselves decides that their product will be 3D printed and automatically finds the right producer in their immediate vicinity.
At the beginning, we naturally engaged with 3D printing technology to gain initial experience, acquired 3 different 3D printers and experimented playfully to get to know the technology better.
When selecting the right product, we took a very playful approach and chose a ring, a valuable piece of jewelry, which we then produced simultaneously on 3 printers.
We published the entire project in the form of a scientific paper in which both the platform, that is the technology, and the entire use case, a customer makes a purchase. It is forwarded via the platform to the producer who are presented. That means our idea has also been reviewed and, so to speak, validated by the scientific community.
Every innovation also creates added value, provided it is economically viable and feasible. That's why in the cost-benefit analysis, we calculated the costs incurred from the production of the product all the way to the consumer in order to demonstrate the benefits here as well.
For the cost-benefit analysis, we had this ring produced simultaneously by 3 different 3D printers and measured the time, material and electricity consumption. The overall result of this experiment was that a ring can actually be produced very cheaply at just €1.20.
This means that whenever our future customers have the point of sale on the internet, that is, in the consumer's pocket, we are the right partner to have the point of manufacturing at their doorstep. The only thing separating us from the reality of on-demand manufacturing as a service is the platform, which we would like to create together with you. And the 3D printer is just the beginning of this journey. In the future, we also plan to integrate CNC machines, robotics, or augmented reality devices.